With facility parameters, instead of attaching whole building data only to individual model objects, users can link facility-wide information such as energy use, occupancy, operator details, and site-wide documents directly to the facility itself. Facility-level parameters can be targeted from the facility template using the Tandem category facility, which is nested under location. After making changes, users update the template to apply them. Parameter creation is also cleaner. Facilities are no longer used as a separate data context when adding parameters, with specifications and categories handling the organization. Users can also open facility details to view and edit facility information. Facilities can also support connections and facility-level tickets where they fit the workflow. Overall, facility parameters make it easier to organize building-wide data in Tandem, giving teams a cleaner, more structured way to manage information across the entire facility.